Hello? Oh, hey, Jane. Oh, we're short on payroll again? Oh, well, maybe I can take another mortgage on the house, or I probably have another pint of blood to spare. You know, see if you can sell half of your remaining kidney. Great. Thank you. That's a disaster.
Whoa, those were some weird names. Where's Mom? I thought she'd be here by now. Are you done with the paper yet, Kite Guy?
No, not yet. Look, the borough just announced they're doubling property taxes for everyone who complained about property taxes. And they're going to fill up all of Lutak Inlet with concrete and turn it into a mega dock.
Boring. When's Mom coming? It's been forever. I thought she'd be here by now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Tom, Morphet, what are you doing here? Stay away.
It's okay. I am here to show you how newspapers were written in 1987 when people read more than Facebook.
I don't think I should take advice from you. It's sort of a conflict of interest in you being the mayor and all.
No one can keep me from giving advice. I changed the laws. I changed the commission. I'll change everything.
Well, just make it quick. I'm on deadline.
Listen here, Kyle. I'm not going for this online thing. The internet is where newspapers go to die. Print is the future, boy. The Haines bookstore. There's a gold mine for you. I know newspapering is not easy. You put in 10, 20, 30 years, and you can be the mayor. I'm bringing down $15,000 a year. $15,000! I can buy groceries. I can buy a new used car. I can't buy avocados. Can you do something about the price of avocados? Write a story! But the mayor, being the mayor, that's something. Half the town hates me, and, well, I work 80 hours a week. But those were better numbers than I had working at the Chocat Valley News.
Well, that doesn't really sound like what I want. I've got a family and 2 kids at home now.
Well, you have to take care of them, huh? I got news for you, buddy. Doesn't look like you're taking very good care of them now. This is dry ramen. Can't you afford water?
I know. I'm sorry. It's just the former owner sold the building, and I think the new guy hasn't paid the water bill. And look, it's deadline day, and there's all sorts of news I gotta get to. Okay?
News? I'll tell you what to do. Write obituaries. This is a town full of old people. The more obituaries you write, the more money you make. That's how you can make money on this thing.
I think you better leave, Tom.
Can I get some fire starters?
No, I'm busy.
No, you're not, because I really want to play some games.
Well, this computer runs on Windows 95. There's no games on here. We haven't updated our tech since 98. I mean, it might have Minesweeper.
Anyways, I'll be in the corner ready to cook Mom and probably fall back to sleep.
Okay, finally she's gonna go back to sleep. 5 hours till deadline. I gotta finish this. Who are you?
Don't you remember? You hired me. I'm the ghost of Chocat Valley News president.
shouldn't you be putting this together? I mean, I'm paying you, right?
Oh, yeah, right. You know, I got started, I was doing some things, then went out to take some photos, and then I got roped into this whole Holly Jolly Follies thing, so yeah, sorry, thanks for covering for me this week.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm working here.
Well, why are you working? Work is for boomers, bro. Haven't you heard? You're 38, you're not 72.
Well, look, I'm focusing pretty hard on this, so...
Dude, Kyle, come on, that's not even work.
No,
You're on...
I'm working.
That was an Indeed.com job application. Kyle, you're looking for another job.
No, I mean, yes. No. I'm exploring my options, okay?
Oh man, Kyle, you just gotta admit it. You are checked out.
Well, look, just worry about yourself. Cut your hair, you look like one of those Bud-Baked greenies. You'll think about it?
I might.
Look, why are you still here?
Well, I was just wondering if you had any spare papers for Firestarter?
Go ahead. Is that all you Humbug. I'm not even sure people in this town read this newspaper. All they ever want is Firestarter. Read the police report. This is a disaster. Only 4 hours till deadline. Piper's probably dreaming of sugar plum fairies and opening her presents. Okay, back to work.